Dear students, now the third question, third part. In this part, we have to construct an angle of 15 degree. So, to construct the angle of a 15 degree, the very first step of construction we have to draw, that is of your ray. We are going to take OP. So here, DRAW, draw a RAY ray. It is O and P I have taken this time, OP. Every time we are going to take OA, this time OP. So I am going to draw a ray OP. So you can see here, this ray, I am using black pen so that the lines will be very clear on video. If I am going to use pencil, so it will be, sometimes it will be blur. So it is better, so that I have taken a pen, but you have to construct it with pencil only, because the construction is to be done by pencil only. So first ray I have taken. So now I am going to let you know how you can construct a angle 15 degree. So step by step, this question we will do step by step. So first step is taken here. Now we will see second step with center O and any convenient radius, draw an arc which cuts OP at A. So see here, you have with O as a center, as CENTRE, center, and any radius you can take, and any radius, 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 draw an arc, DRAW, draw an ARC, arc which cuts or cutting, UTTING, cutting your OP at A. So see what we have to do. We have to take O as a center of any convenient radius, draw an arc. See here, we have drawn an arc like this. It is clear? Now this is what? This is our point, intersection point A. Now you can see after that, with A as a center, we will draw a cut of arc of a previous step. So here you can see that with A as center, CENTRE, center, and the same radius we have taken in previous step, RADIUS, radius, as in step 2, STEP, step 2, the same measurement. You must not change the measurement of this arc. Whatever the distance we have here, that is OA, the same we will take cut. It is clear? So draw an arc. You have to DRAW, draw an ARC, arc to cut to CUT. Cut the previous, cut the PREVIOUS, previous ARC, arc at point B. Now whatever I have written, I am going to show you. Taking A as a center, see here, OA, we will cut an arc and we will give this to this name B. This intersection we will give name B I have given. It is clear? Now point number 4 we will see after that. This construction step by step, it is easy to understand now. Join AB. What we have to do? JOIN, join O and B. So after joining OB, we will see it. I am going to join this OB. You can see here the joining OB. So this and this point, I am going to join it this OB and produced it up to Q. हमने यहाँ तक इसको प्रोड्यूस कर लिया Q तक. So join OB and produced A and D and produce PRODUCE, produce it to form FORM, form the ray OQ, because I have written Q at the top. Then you can see angle QOP is equals to, are you able to see? No. Okay, no problem. This point we will write in another line. See here. Then THEN, then your angle QOP is equals to your 60 degree. Clear? Now point number 5, very important point. We will draw a bisector. Bisect, BISECT, bisect the ANGLE angle, your POQ at C, which is equals to your, if you are going to draw it C, so angle COP is equals to 30 degree. Now I am going to show how you can draw 30 degree angle. Taking A as a center, more than half of AB, draw an arc at the top this side, and taking B as a center, cut the arc of a previous step, at C. So it will be your C point. Now we will join C and O. If you are going to join C and O, obviously you can see that this is your COP is your 30 degree angle. It is your 30 degree. It is what? This line is of your 60 degree, and here this is of your 30 degree. Now we are going to draw next step, 6th number step. We will draw DRAW, draw bisector, BISECTOR, bisector of angle COP at D. That's why your angle DOP is equals to your 15 degree. It is clear? See how I am going to draw this. So to draw this, we need to have one more point at this point. So we are going to take this point, something else, D and E. So here I am going to take only E point. So it is what? Your A and E. So here in this, we will take this part and this part. So this is our D part. And if I am going to draw a line that is of your D and O, so this will be of your angle that is of your DOP is equals to 15 degree. So this part is of your 15 degree. It is clear? Now you can note it down.